Yo, what is up everybody? It's Abdullah Magdi here, and we're about to kick off an adventure that's going to blow your mind. We're talking about the UAE, a place where the desert meets the city, where tradition shakes hands with innovation, and where the sky's the limit, literally. We're diving headfirst into the heart of this incredible country, exploring the landmarks that put the UAE on the map. From towering skyscrapers that pierce the clouds to architectural marvels that'll leave you speechless, we're covering it all. So buckle up, smash that subscribe button, and get ready for a wild ride through the most famous tourist spots in the UAE. Let's go. Alright, first up, we gotta start with the big one and only, the Burj Khalifa. This thing is insane. We're talking over 2,700 feet tall, the tallest building on the planet. It's like they took a skyscraper from the future and dropped it right here in Dubai. And the views? Don't even get me started. Head up to the observation deck, and it's like you're standing on top of the world. The whole city sprawls out beneath you, a sea of shimmering lights and futuristic architecture. You can see the Palm Jumeirah from up here, this crazy man-made island shaped like a palm tree, and the desert stretching out as far as the eye can see. It's an absolute trip. But here's the thing about the Burj Khalifa. It's not just a building, it's a statement. It's a symbol of how the UAE is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And that energy, that ambition, it's contagious. It's everywhere you look in this city. So, you've conquered the Burj Khalifa. Now it's time to hit up another Dubai icon, the Dubai Mall. This place is insane. Imagine the biggest shopping mall you've ever been to, then multiply it by like 1,000. We're talking over 1,200 stores, everything from high-end designer boutiques to your favorite international brands. And it's not just shopping. They've got an aquarium in here, a freaking ice rink, and even a dinosaur skeleton. I'm not even kidding. You could literally spend days in here and still not see everything. It's a shopaholic's paradise, a foodie's dream, and an entertainment wonderland all rolled into one. But here's the thing I love most about the Dubai Mall. It's a melting pot. People from all over the world come here to shop, to eat, to experience Dubai. It's a constant reminder that you're in one of the most vibrant and cosmopolitan cities on the planet. Next up, we're heading to a place that's straight out of a science fiction movie, Palm Jumeirah. This man-made island is shaped like a giant palm tree, and it's home to some of the most luxurious hotels and resorts in the world. Imagine waking up to the sound of the waves crashing outside your window, stepping out onto your private balcony, and looking out over the sparkling waters of the Arabian Gulf. That's Palm Jumeirah. They've got everything here. Water parks, beaches, restaurants, you name it. It's the ultimate playground for the rich and famous. And even if you're not staying here, it's worth a visit just to see the sheer audacity of it all. I mean, who else builds an island shaped like a palm tree? Only in Dubai, man. Only in Dubai. Alright, let's talk about another Dubai icon, the Burj Al Arab. This sail-shaped hotel is one of the most recognizable buildings in the world, and for good reason. It's synonymous with luxury, extravagance, and over-the-top opulence. We're talking private butlers, helipads, underwater restaurants, the works. It's the kind of place where you can easily drop a few $1,000s on a meal without even blinking an eye. But even if you're not on a billionaire's budget, the Burj Al Arab is worth a look. Just seeing it up close, this gleaming white sail rising out of the sea, it's pretty awe-inspiring. It's a reminder that in Dubai, anything is possible. From the glitz and glamour of Dubai, we're heading to the capital city of Abu Dhabi, home to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. This place is special, guys. It's not just a mosque, it's a masterpiece of Islamic architecture, a symbol of peace and tolerance, and a testament to the vision of the UAE's founding father. The scale of it is mind-blowing. The main prayer hall can hold over 40,000 worshippers, and the mosque is adorned with intricate carvings, marble columns, and the world's largest hand-knotted carpet. But it's not just the size and grandeur that'll blow you away, it's the serenity, the peacefulness that washes over you as you step inside. This is a place where people come to connect with their faith, to find solace, and to marvel at the beauty of human creation. It's a reminder that there's more to the UAE than just skyscrapers and shopping malls. There's a rich history, a deep spirituality, and a profound sense of culture that runs through the heart of this country. All right, gearheads, this one's for you. We're heading to Ferrari World Abu Dhabi, the world's first Ferrari-branded theme park. This place is a dream come true for anyone who's ever dreamed of getting behind the wheel of a Ferrari. They've got it all here. Roller coasters that'll launch you from 0 to 60 in seconds, racing simulators that'll put your driving skills to the test, and even a museum where you can check out some of the most iconic Ferraris ever made. But the highlight has got to be Formula Rossa, the world's fastest roller coaster. This thing will catapult you from 0 to 150 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. It's insane. Whether you're a die-hard Ferrari fan or just looking for an adrenaline rush, Ferrari World Abu Dhabi is an experience you won't forget. As the sun sets over Dubai, it's time to head back to the city for a show that'll leave you speechless: the Dubai Fountain. Imagine a choreographed water ballet set to music, with jets of water soaring hundreds of feet into the air. It's a mesmerizing spectacle of light, music, and water, and it's one of those things that you have to see to believe. The best part? The show is free. Just find a spot along the waterfront, grab some popcorn, and prepare to be amazed. It's a magical experience, and the perfect way to end a day of exploring Dubai. For all you adrenaline junkies out there, we're heading to the mountains. Jebel Jais, the highest peak in the UAE, offers stunning views, exhilarating adventures, and a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. We're talking zip lines that'll send you soaring through the canyons at speeds of up to 90 miles per hour, hiking trails that'll test your limits, and viewpoints that'll take your breath away. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even go mountain biking or rock climbing. Jebel Jais is a reminder that there's more to the UAE than meets the eye. Beyond the skyscrapers and the shopping malls, there's a world of natural beauty waiting to be explored. In the heart of Dubai, nestled amongst the skyscrapers, lies a hidden gem, Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. This place is like stepping back in time. Narrow alleyways wind their way through traditional houses with wind towers, transporting you to a bygone era. It's a world away from the glitz and glamour of modern Dubai, and it's a reminder of the city's rich history and heritage. Explore the courtyards, check out the art galleries and cafes, and soak up the atmosphere of old Dubai. It's a side of the city that most tourists never get to see, and it's an experience you won't forget. Our final stop takes us back to Abu Dhabi, to a museum that's pushing the boundaries of art and architecture, the Louvre Abu Dhabi. Imagine a giant, futuristic dome floating on water, housing some of the world's most priceless works of art. That's the Louvre Abu Dhabi. The museum's collection spans centuries and continents, from ancient Egyptian artifacts to masterpieces by Leonardo da Vinci and Vincent van Gogh. But it's not just the art that's impressive. The building itself is a work of art, with its intricate geometric patterns and its interplay of light and shadow. It's a fitting end to our journey through the UAE, a country that's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, blending tradition and modernity, and captivating the world with its ambition and its beauty. So there you have it, guys. A whirlwind tour through some of the most incredible tourist spots in the UAE. From towering skyscrapers to architectural marvels, from adrenaline-pumping adventures to cultural gems, this country has it all. But more than just the sights, it's the energy, the ambition, the spirit of innovation that makes the UAE so special. It's a place where anything is possible, where dreams become reality, and where the future is being built right before your eyes. If you're looking for an adventure, if you're looking to be inspired, if you're looking to experience a country that's truly one of a kind, then put the UAE on your bucket list. You won't regret it. Until next time, peace out. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the UAE's most famous tourist areas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more